and their performance overall?
Really tight game. Congratulations, of course, to the team, because this scenario, this competition against this team is always so difficult for the history, but especially for the quality they have. We started really well the game, and when we were better, they make an incredible transition for Camavinga and an incredible finishing for Vinicius. And when they were better than us in the second half, we scored a goal. So it was a tight game. Is open to Manchester. There will be a final.
Pep Guardiola, Manchester City manager, says the first leg match is over, and it's a time now to think about the second leg match at Etihad Stadium, the home of Manchester City, and it's just the home, the decisive home, as many people they used to call it, the theatre, as it's very difficult for the opponent team to get the positive results at Etihad Stadium in front of the atmosphere of the Manchester City Football Club. And here the manager says that today's game was just very well. Good performance, and it's a real definition of football. The both sides controlled the board, both sides created the chances, both sides entertained the atmosphere, and in fact everybody has enjoyed today's match. And this is just a little definition of football. Sometimes football is just a part of joyful, as many people today have enjoyed the little taste of the semi-final match. And in fact, both sides created the chances, both sides played very well. And this time around, it's a time now to think about the next match, as he is just now talking about the next match against Real Madrid to the second leg. And Pep Guardiola says that's going to be a difficult match. That's going to be a special match. It's an incredible match. And the only thing that is going to decide that match is about the hard working, the spirit of fighting, and the sense of understanding the value of the UEFA Champions League. As he is also just proud of his international midfielder. Kevin De Bruyne, as he said that was just an amazing goal, fantastic goal. That's a Samba-Baltic goal, and it makes sense in the world of football. He's just congratulating him for the little shot which produced the goal on the side, and he leveled the scoreboard. Pep Guardiola speaks so many things, but so much more he is just speaking about